Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Lucky Kazungi are the passionate environmentals, and in today's episode, I'm excited because I'm at Mtwapa Creek, and we'll be delving deeper into understanding about the mangrove species of Mtwapa Creek. We are going to have roughly 8 species. I'll be sharing both scientific names, local names or the Swahili names, and also how these mangrove species look like. So, for example, the background, we have the commonly known Rhizophora mucronata. Scientifically, that is the name. Common name is the red mangrove, and here it's called mkoko, or the soil name is called mkoko. And as you can see, produces top roots, and this is one of the best or commonly found mangrove species in almost all the creeks in Kenya. So we'll be delving deep into understanding how its propagules look like, the trunk, and also the roots. So walk with me. And we have the red mangrove. This is how it looks like, or the Rhizophora mucronata, as I shared in the introduction. And this is how its propagule looks like, and this is how the roots look like. Yep. The next mangrove species is Syropstagal or Mukanda. That is the local name and Swahili name. So this is how it looks like, and it produces through propagules, and this is how propagules of Syropstagal look like, and these are mature. For those who don't know whether mature propagule, how a mature propagule looks, if it's a mature, it usually develops a yellow ring at between the propagule and the stalk, and this shows you it's a mature seedling, and when it's ready to detach from its mom, and this is how it detaches. And yes, so naturally, if it detaches from the mom, it drops on the ground and automatically sticks to the ground, and in 2 or 3 weeks it will have produced roots, and this other part will produce leaves and grow to a bigger tree. The next mangrove species is Xelocarpus granatum, commonly known as cannonball mangrove, and the local name is called Mkomafi. So if you see a tree or a mangrove species or a tree that found along the beach that looks like this, just know it's the Xelocarpus granatum, cannonball mangrove, or Mkomafi, and it produces through seeds, which are usually found in a fruit that looks like a cannonball. That's why it was I think that's how the name cannonball mangrove was derived from. And in one fruit it may contain between 6 to 12 seeds. The other species is Avicennia marina. In Swahili it's called mchu, and locally it's called mtswi. So this is how mtswi looks like. You will hear others calling it white mangrove, because I think of the back. Yeah, and then that is, and it produces through propagules, and the propagules are a bit different. One of them is here. Yeah, so when you come across a propagule that looks like this, you should know that it's a propagule for Avicennia marina or Mtwi or the white mangrove. The other species of mangrove that is found in Mtwapa Creek is Sonarasha alba or Mlilana, and this is how the tree looks like. And if you'll be able to come across its leaves, this is how the leaves look like. And for its fruits, they're yet to mature, but this is how some of the fruits look like, and that is how its flowers are. So for the Sonarasha alba or Mulilana, it produces by producing fruits and seedlings. Fruits and seeds. I'm sorry. Fruits and seeds. Yes, thank you. The other mangrove species is called Brugueria gymnorrhiza, and locally call it mkokomwembe. This is how its leaves look like, and its trunk, though in a forest you might get it growing with a straight trunk of up to more than 10 meters tall, and it propagates itself through propagules, and this is how its flowers look like. And this is how the propagules of Mkokomwembe or Brugueria gymnorrhiza looks like. So you can find it either green or sometimes maroon or reddish in color. And you can propagate it in the nursery or plant propagules directly on the ground. So this is how the colors or how the propagules of Brugueria gymnorrhiza look like. You can get one this color or the one this color, though this one is deformed or has some infections, but usually it's straight. The other species is called Lumnicera resmosa, which occurs in sandy beaches, and it's characterized by producing white small flowers that later develop into small fruits that contain seeds in them. And the Swahili name or local name is called Kikanda.